Hello guys, welcome back. This is the Xiaomi Redmi 10 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. This process should also remove a screen lock if you have one you don't know. I'll quickly lock the device so you can see I have a pattern set, and I'll proceed as though I don't know it. Hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power and volume up at the same time. When you see the Redmi logo, let go of the power key and it will take you to recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to navigate down to wipe data, confirm with power, then select wipe all data and confirm again. Once data wipe is successful, press power to reboot back to the main menu and confirm again. The process will continue in the background and take a bit longer than normal to power back on. Once completed, you'll be greeted by the Android setup screen. The process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.